Rights issue and bonus issue. At 30 June 20x4, a company's capital structure was as follows. Ordinary share capital, 1 million shares of 25 cents each, $250,000. Share premium account, $200,000. In the year ended 30 June 20x5, the company made a rights issue of 1 share for every 2 held at $1 per share, and this was taken up in full. Later in the year, the company made a bonus issue of 1 share for every 5 held, using the share premium account for the purpose. What was the company's capital structure at 30 June 20x5? Answer: ordinary shares. Opening balance, 250. Rights issue, 500,000 times 25 cents, 125. Bonus issue, 300,000 times 25 cents, 75. A total, 450. Share premium operating balance, 200. Rights issue, 500,000 times 75 cents, 375. Bonus issue, 300,000 times 25 cents, 75. Total, 500. 1 million times half equals $500,000. 1 million plus 500,000 times 1/5 equals 300,000. Journal entry. Rights issue. Debit cash 500. Credit share capital 125. Credit share premium 375. Bonus issue. Debit share premium 75. Credit share capital 75.